Hello everyone, I'm Rainy. Now I show you how to install the Revol headlight. First, you gotta remove your stock headlight like this, and the second, you got install the ball head brake kit in the triple trip. You will see in the handlebar, riser, and the up triple trip. If your M109 have tachometer over here, then your first generation M109. In the first generation 109, in the up triple trip, it have a hold over here. So you can use the M6 bolt and bolting the ball headlight brake kit like this. Let me show you. See? If your M109 is second generation, you don't have this hold, and you cannot bolting the bolt over here. But you can drill a hole with the teeth in here. The teeth, the spec is M6 bolt, and the teeth pitch is 1.0. Okay, so you can drill a hole and make the teeth over here. So this one is the up brake kit, and check the button. This hold and the bolting is no problem over here. Okay. The second issue is how to make your, the braking hose like here. Then close the back side to here. In the last step, you need wiring. Like some turn signal or natural light. Show you. Okay. Okay, so we put in a signal light over here, neutral gear, and the turn signal. Okay, or you can setting this lighting. Modify the lighting in a speedometer. Okay, but how to wiring? You got to modify over here, and we use like the drilling gun in here. Okay. And then some wire we mounting here. Okay, if you have any problem, please email to me. I can help you how to install.